Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel. In this video, I will be talking about how young parents can start investing, even though they're on a budget. I will break down the basics of budgeting so that you can grow your wealth while raising your family. Why investing matters to parents? Investing matters for parents because it helps secure their financial future and achieve long-term goals, such as funding their children's education, buying a new home, or retiring comfortably. Unlike savings alone, investing allows money to grow through compounding, helping parents stay ahead of inflation and rising costs. Starting early, even with small amounts, can lead to significant financial gains over time, giving families more flexibility and freedom in their choices. With the right investment plan, parents can reduce financial stress and better handle unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies or job loss. Beyond financial growth, investing sets a powerful example for children. When parents prioritize long-term planning and disciplined money management, they teach their children valuable habits that can last a lifetime. It also ensures that parents can eventually retire without relying on their children for support, allowing the next generation to pursue their own goals without financial burden. In short, investing is not just about growing wealth, it's about building a stable, confident future for the entire family. Investment options simplified. In Canada, there are several investment accounts designed to help you save and grow your money more efficiently, often with tax benefits. The most common are the TFSA, tax-free savings account, and the RRSP, registered retirement plan, savings plan. A TFSA lets your investment grow and be withdrawn tax-free, making it great for both short and long-term goals. An RRSP gives you a tax break and is ideal for retirement because you only pay taxes when you withdraw later. For parents, RESP, Registered Education Savings Plan, is especially helpful. It allows you to save for your children's education with tax-deferred growth and government grant contributions. When it comes to what you can invest in, Canadians have access to a range of options. Stocks offer ownership in companies and the chance of high growth, though they come with higher risk. Bonds are more stable and pay regular interest, making them a safer choice. For those looking for simplicity and lower risk, ETFs, traded funds, are popular because they bundle many investments together, spreading out the risk. There are also mutual funds, which work similarly but often come with higher fees. For guaranteed returns, GIC, guaranteed investment certificates, are very safe, but locking your money over a set period. If you are just starting out or don't want to manage investments yourself, robo-advisors like Wealthsimple can help you automatically choosing and managing a mix of investments for you based on your goals and risk level. Whether you are saving for retirement, your children's education, or a future home, there's an option that fits your needs. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and choose a mix that matches your timeline and your comfort with risk. Now, to get started with investing in Canada, the first step is to open the right investment account. The most beginner-friendly accounts are the TFSA. A TFSA allows your investment to grow and be withdrawn completely, tax-free, which is great for any financial goal, whether short or long term. An RRSP helps you reduce your taxable income and is ideal for retirement savings, though you pay tax when you take money out later. If you're a parent, the RESP, the Children's Education Plan, is a great tool to save for your child's education with government grants and tax-deferred growth. Next, you'll need to choose where to put your money. These are investment products. Beginners often start with ETFs because they are low cost and provide instant diversification by bundling many stocks or bonds together. You can also invest on individual stocks, which offer more control but come with higher risk, or mutual funds, which are professionally managed but may have higher fees. For lower risk options, GICs offer is fixed return but lock your money in for a set term. To actually buy and manage investment, you use an investment platform or service. You can choose services like Wealthsimple or QuestWell, which automates everything for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's perfect for beginners. Alternatively, you want to pick and manage your own investments, you can use self-directed online brokerage like QuestTrade, TD Direct Investing, or RBC Direct Investing. These tools make it easy to start investing in Canada with just a small amount of money and grow over time. Start your family budget by gathering all incomes. These include your take-home pay, government benefits like the Canada Child Benefit, and any side income. Next, list your monthly expenses, starting with essentials like housing, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Use bank statements or budgeting apps to track spending and get accurate averages. Categorize spending into needs, wants, savings, and debts. Aiming for the 50-30-20 rule balance. Then calculate the difference between income and expense to see if adjustments are needed. If you are spending more than you earn, reduce non-essential expenses or set limits in flexible areas like entertainment or dining out. Once the numbers are clear, create your monthly budget using spreadsheet or apps like Mint or YNAB. Set specific goals such as saving $100 a month for an emergency fund or $50 a month for your child's RESP. Automate savings and bill payments to stay on track. Review the budget monthly as a family to see what's working and where to improve. The simple action plan builds a stable foundation for your finances and help you work towards the long-term goals with confidence.